Welcome to Healthcare Plus. Hello viewers, today I'll share you how to make paleo diet banana recipes. Paleo diet banana recipes. Ingredients: 1. 3 medium ripe bananas. 2. 2 eggs. 3. 1 tablespoon nut butter. 4. 2 teaspoon vanilla extract. 5. 3/4 cup almond flour. 6. 1/3 cup coconut flour. 7. 1/2 cup raw cacao powder. 8. 1/2 teaspoon baking soda. 9. 1/4 teaspoon sea salt. 10. 1/2 cup paleo-friendly chocolate chips. Directions: 1. Preheat oven to 350 F and line a 8 inches by 4 inches bread pan with parchment paper or spray with a non-stick cooking spray. 2. Combine bananas, eggs, nut butter and vanilla extract in a food processor or blender and process until smooth. 3. In a medium bowl, combine almond flour, coconut flour, cacao powder, baking soda and sea salt and whisk together until well combined. 4. Add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients and stir until well incorporated, then fold in chocolate chips. 5. Pour dough into your bread pan and bake for 22 to 25 minutes. If you want to paleo hack cook, please below link in this video descriptions. If you want more about paleo diet plan, please subscribe our channel.